Google's next smartphone in the Pixel series, the Pixel 6, has already been rumored to come with a new design, and renders for the same have already been posted online. The renders for the case of the upcoming Google flagship, which a striking resemble for the design idea of the renders by some users, giving strength to the claim that Google Pixel 6 design is now officially in the open. Google is expected to include the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro in the lineup. As you can see in the photos, the space for the big camera bump that continues all the way along with the width of the smartphone back horizontally can be seen in the protective cover. There is a fairly large hole at the top as for the 3.5mm headphone jack, which might mean the return of the same with the Pixel 6. The Pixel series smartphone of the one of the best smartphone camera setups in the smartphones. If the camera bump that in the renders is going to be in the final product, then expect a massive camera upgrade including bigger sensors and improved optical image stabilization. The Google Pixel 6 Pro might even have a third telephoto lens. Also, video recording may also get better with the all extra features in the camera, which the rear camera setup continuously all the way along with the back horizontally. The phone is going to see some grams that added to the weights. The new Pixel phones are expected to be announced by Google during the third quarter of this year, so it's all our specifications now. There is a hole on the top of the case, and it would be tempting to think that it's 3.5mm headphone jack, but it is most likely just a hole for the top microphone. None of the renders we will see so far showed a headphone jack. The Pixel 6 is supposed to have stereo speakers, and you can see two opening for speaker grill at the bottom. We are heard much about the specs of the upcoming Google flagship. Here's a quick summary. It will be provided by a custom 5nm chip Whitechapel with Snapdragon 870 like performance, but with more powerful NPU and ISP to handle the image processing. The image will come from a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto, 5x magnification and an ultra wide models. There are the rumor specs about the Pixel 6 Pro. At least there should be a vanilla model with just two cameras. Also, they will have different screen sizes, 6.67 inch for the Pro and 6.4 inch for the vanilla model. The new Pixel due to expect in October or November depending on how the chip shortage process. These are the rumors about Google's next flagship smartphones, Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro.